460 Rancher. Needs parts. 450 Rancher. Needs a little spring that goes right there. Right there. Not the spring that winds the thing, because it still works. Okay. The little spring there. And there. She's good to go. And I put clutch on this one, so I need a clutch sprocket. This is the aftermath. This is bearing. We need bearing. Probably a clutch. She looks cooked. And yeah. Need to get this bad boy. This is a bigger saw, 460. It's in the professional class. Yeah, we're building a custom muffler for that. So that thing's not gonna help. It goes, but yeah, we've been doing some logging here, cutting some tree stumps. But oh, and also I need to get a screw because the spark arrestor fell off. I'm not cutting anywhere dry right now, so I don't have to really worry about that. But want to get that back on there in case I need the saw somewhere. So yeah, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. This is another one of them husky tooltip videos. So I hope you enjoy this little short video, and I guess get back to using the husky, because we know the still won't even start. The husky at least started before it broke. It's a joke, guys. Still is a good brand, but that's it.